Well, good morning. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning, bright and early on a Sunday morning. And once again I'm on my way to work. And the question's been asked of me, by no one in particular, well, what's in the box?
Who's in the box?
And what is this box that I'm referring to? Well, it all started several months ago with Helga's beer bread.
Beer bread? What can be better? So if you haven't come across Helga's Pennsylvania cooking, get over there and have a look.
Helga's Pennsylvania cooking. And today I'm going to make a really easy, yummy treat, beer bread.
And I was offering anybody the chance to possibly win a coffee mug, or maybe a dead cat.
The other one too, Schrodinger's cat, something like that. Hang on. WTF? I think some people think too much.
I'll take the box! The box!
And it was all in celebration of the upcoming 500th subscriber on my channel. And all you had to do was mention the word coffee on any upcoming videos after that, where you saw the image of a coffee mug with my little logo on it. There was quite a few videos after that, and quite a few people mentioned the word coffee. And each time they did, they got another entry in the draw. So there were a couple of people that got the maximum number of entries, which was 11. So there must have been 11 videos that had the image of this coffee mug in there. So my good friend Kiwi Badger was one of them. He might have got a couple of bonus entries for having written the word coffee 530 odd times on one comment. And Scotty the Kiwi, he's in there with 11 entries. And there were some with one, some with just a few. So in total, we ended up with 102 entries. 102 times people were saying, what's in the box?
And whatever's inside here is what you get. So I can't guarantee that it's not a dead cat, because I've never looked inside the box. It might be a live cat. It might be a coffee cup that looks just like that. I don't know.
I guess it's time to find out what's in the box.
See what's in the box! Nothing! Absolutely nothing! Stupid!
So I went through all the comments on all those videos and wrote down everybody that made a comment using the word coffee, and each time they did it, gave them a little mark, and it came to 102 different entries, 30 something individual. So I took that 102 different entries and I put it in a random generator thingamabob, and so that then allocated those 102 numbers in a random manner. So they weren't 11 Kiwi Badgers and 11 Scotty the Kiwis. They were all over the place. So then I had to decide how I was going to draw the winner from those 102 different entries. And I had a good idea how I wanted to do it, but with 102 different entries, there were too many. So I had to narrow the field down a bit. So then I took that 102 entries, put it into another random generator thingamabob, and I got that random generator thingamabob to generate a random 30 numbers from that list. And then I was able to strike out 30 of the entries. So now we're down to 72. And why did we want 72? Nobody in particular asks. Well now, in the clear light of day, that may become evident. But first, we've got a train to drive. Well, that's that shift done. Another day, another $1, less tax. So, let's go home. I'm hungry. And I could do with a coffee. So, can I squeeze through here? Of course I can. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, that's right, the box. What is in the box?
Oh, what's in the box?
Now, where were we at? That's right. We had 102 different entries from 30 odd individuals, and I had to narrow it down. There was too many. So we randomly knocked out 30 of them to bring it down to 72. What's with this magic number of 72? And why has it taken so long? Well, if you've been watching any of my videos over the last 12 months or so, you know that I do tend to flog a dead horse.
What's in the box?
And I'm still working on editing the videos from the South Island ride, which was now over a year ago. I must admit I'm really enjoying editing all that footage from the trip, and it was an awesome trip. Great guys that I was riding with, so I'm enjoying it. Anyway, back to this coffee mug or whatever it is that's in the box.
You might win a dead cat, or you might win a coffee mug.